lot of my work examines the domestic and historical origins of state development, and this project is very much a part of that line of research. It begins with this observation that the centralization of authority is a key aspect of state building. In our paper, we surmount this problem by studying state building and political centralization in the context of 19th century America. The economic and political modernization arguments come in several variants. One strand, which I think is most embodied by the work of Ernst Gellner, argues that urbanization and industrialization broke parochial ties, local ties, and paved the way for identification of the state as individuals transitioned from an agricultural economy to a city-based industrial economy. But sovereignty is ultimately ideational, right? And that final sovereign authority exists when people think it exists. And so one way to get some leverage on how people think about and understand sovereignty is to examine the shared civic language, so how people are talking about sovereignty. We find evidence that individuals change how they speak. I was so confident that individuals weren't going to change how they speak, and we actually see the evolution of the speech, the change in the singular usage, and presumably what we're reading, a change in the imagination of sovereignty over time.